What's up, guys? It's Kyle from Toobs, and as promised, it's the end of the month, so we're finishing up the ROOR raffle. There's 2,100 tickets in this bin right now. I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up, and we're gonna announce the winner. I'm gonna have Brad pull the winning ticket, so here we go. Give it a few spins. 2,100 orders. All right, Brad. Do the honors. Hopefully we make one of these guys back here really happy, and good luck to all the stores. Let's see who takes it.
Good luck.
Mix it around, mix it around. Who is it?
Herbal Tea, Ethan. Brian just
No way! No way! Herbal Tea. Let's go. There it is. Ethan from Herbal Tea, you just won 4K and free ROOR. So we're going to be sending that out to you. And then tune in for March. We're doing March Mav Madness, where one shop is going to win $10,000 in free Mav glass through the raffle program. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you soon. All right, so we're giving them a phone call. Let's see if they answer here.
Hello?
Hey,
Hello?
hey, is this Michelle?
It is.
Hey, this is Kyle from Toobs Distribution. How you doing today?
Hi.
Is Ethan?
Kyle?
Yeah, Kyle from Toobs. I'm one of the owners. Is Ethan around by any chance, or would there be a way I could get his cell number?
He is not around. He is on his way back into town. He has a day off today. Is there anything I could help you with?
Yeah, absolutely. So we had 2,100 entries in the ROOR giveaway for February, and you guys won.
Oh, no way!
Yeah, you guys won. Yeah, $4,000 worth of free ROOR. So we're gonna be sending that your way.
Oh my God, I'm crying right now. Oh my God, that's unreal.
Yeah, we had 2,100 tickets in the bin, and we just filmed it. And
oh my God, I gotta give you Ethan's number. You gotta tell him.
yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I gotta give him a call.
Hold on, let me get you his number. It's awful. I'm his mother, and I don't know.
It's all good. It's all good. All right, Mom. Well, thank you so much. We're gonna go ahead and give him a call.
Michelle, thanks, Michelle.
We
appreciate you.
You place orders too. This is Brian.
This is Brian. Yeah. So.
I told him you guys all place orders with us. Yeah. So thank you so much, and I'm so glad you guys won. You deserve it.
Oh, thank you, Brian.
Yep.
Hello?
Hey, is this Ethan?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man? This is Kyle, the owner of Toobs Distribution. How you doing today?
Hey, good, man.
So Brian informed me you've been ordering from us for a while now, huh?
Yeah, it was kind of like I don't know how Brian found out about us. Yeah, it was a little while ago, and he's always been just like super respectful as far as like if I have customers and like, not always calling and
Bothering you?
yeah, for lack of a better word.
Yeah. Well, are you going into the shop today?
I'm not.
Okay.
Today.
Okay. Well, long story short, there was 2,100 tickets in the raffle, and you won $4,000 worth of free ROOR.
No way.
Yeah. No, I swear, man. We
It's
we
real,
pulled it.
Ethan.
Yeah, Brian's right here. The whole team's here, and you guys won.
Wow, dude, that is so cool.
Yeah, I just talked to your mom. For a while. She was pumped.
Oh, wow, cool. Wow, that's so awesome.
So, yeah, man, we'll go ahead and send the order out to you today. And, thank you so much for working with Brian, man. We really appreciate your business.
Yeah, we really appreciate you guys. You guys are the bomb.
Appreciate that, man.
Wow,
And
so cool.
yeah, I'll have Brian send you over the tracking as well. But, man, these pieces are beautiful. You're going to be stoked. They come in these beautiful wooden boxes, and they're really nice. So I'm very happy for you guys.
Oh, my God, that's really cool. Thank you guys so much.
Absolutely, man. We'll talk to you soon.
All right.
All right, later, buddy. Bye.
Bye.
Let's go!